Election results are being closely watched by ARK Invest's Cathie Wood, who thinks market woes may be alleviated if Republicans take back some power. Joining us with more is Yahoo Finance's Alexandra Semenova. Alexandra.
Well, guys, Cathie Wood is among investors who thinks that markets could get a nice boost if Republicans take control of at least one chamber of Congress. Wood said in a webcast yesterday that a Republican win of the House may usher in friendlier monetary and fiscal policies. She did clarify that this more optimistic outlook wasn't necessarily because Republicans would be entering office, but because monetary and fiscal policy has been so overdone under the current administration. Although, just to clarify, of course, the Fed is an independent government agency, although it does communicate with the president and other congressional leaders. Still, though, she said that the fiscal and monetary austerity that we typically see under Republicans, we're actually seeing right now. As we know, Wood has been a big critic of the Federal Reserve, pushing back against their decision to raise interest rates, even writing an open letter to the Federal Reserve last month. Her fund has been, at the forefront of the sell-off that we have seen in technology stocks as a result of higher interest rates. So rightfully, she is a bit upset about that. And aside from that, she said that at least partial GOP control could also give markets a boost from gridlock, could be friendlier for cryptocurrencies, could bring in potential tax cuts that could be innovation friendly. And she also said that Republican support of all of the above energy policies may help with inflation.
Yeah, she was telling the Fed to look at commodity prices instead. Of course, some of that lagging data, though, they're going to continue to evaluate here. Also, we do know ARK's new venture fund has a stake in Musk's private Twitter deal. Did she have any update on that?
So no update on that in the webcast yesterday, but she did, announce Friday that investors in her new venture fund can actually invest in Twitter after Musk's take private deal. This is yet another double down of her conviction in Elon Musk. At a conference recently, she called him their Renaissance man. She called him Thomas Edison. But of course, there are concerns about Musk's financing of Twitter. Now a lot of concerns about what that means for Tesla. A regulatory filing actually just showed that Musk sold about $4 billion worth of Tesla shares. Unclear whether that was for financing the Twitter deal, but not a good look after he promised in August that he wouldn't be selling any more shares. Of course, that raises concerns that he might continue to do so.
Well, just like Thomas Edison, Elon Musk trying to keep the lights on at Twitter. Alexandra Semenova, thanks so much.
Good one.
Yeah, it is pretty good, right?